So we're going to say simplify everything first, okay, because you need to add the similar terms and so on. So when we start simplifying, we can start here, multiply x by x is x to the power 2, x times 4 is 4x, negative 3 times x is negative 3x, negative 3 times 4 is negative 12. That's a good start, right? Now this one, you're going to have to expand the bracket. Okay, so we're going to have to say negative and then 3x minus 2, 3x minus 2. And here we don't say x minus 8x is negative 7x. Okay, remember, first brackets, don't subtract those two. First the brackets. So it's going to be x, negative 8x times x is negative 8x squared. Negative 8x times negative 1 is plus 8x. So we first do that, okay? First multiply it in over there. Now here we can start simplifying a little bit. 4x minus 3x is 1x minus 12. We leave the negative, very important. Leave that negative in the bracket, outside the bracket. Now we multiply it in. 3x times 3x is 9x squared. 3x times negative 2 is negative 6x. Negative 2 times 3x is negative 6x. Negative 2 times negative 2 plus 4. And now here we can say it's negative 8x squared. And then x plus 8x is plus 9x. So we added them. But you see this negative is important that we leave it outside because now we have to multiply it with all of them. Okay, you multiply the negative in with all of them on the inside. So you're going to have x squared plus x minus 12 minus 9x squared. Minus and a minus is plus 6x, and then minus and minus is plus 6x, and the minus times the plus is minus 4, and now we bring these ones over, so it becomes plus 8x squared, take the 9x over, minus 9x equal to 0, okay, everybody still with me? Yes. Okay, now we can look, x squared, for instance, all the squares, x squared minus 9x squared plus 8x squared. So x squared plus 8 is 9, minus 9 is 0. Okay, so that gives you 0. Now the x's, x plus 6 minus 9. So it's 12, 13 minus 9. 13 minus 9, so we're left with 4x. And then the negative 12 and the negative 4 is negative 16. That's all we have, negative 16. So when we take it over, it becomes plus 16. And then when you divide by 4, x is equal to 4. There we go. X is equal to 4.
What a long one.